So you got some work to do. You stretch, prepare your cup of coffee or tea, then you start the work, and boom. You end up doing things that adds no value to the task you want to accomplish. In short, you procrastinate. If you're like me, I easily get distracted. I start working on something, do some research about what I'm working on, see a cool looking thumbnail on YouTube and click it. After watching the video, I receive a message and read it. After reading it, I will check my email. And it goes on and on and on and on, and an hour has passed. I haven't started the task. Sounds familiar? In this video, we'll talk about ways how to get shit done. Number 1. Keeping a to-do list. Listing your tasks not only help you remember them, but it also lets you prioritize your tasks. You will separate the major tasks from the minor ones. This will allow you to tackle the hardest task first and do the minor ones. You will become better at scheduling by doing this. Number 2. Set yourself a deadline for the tasks. Not setting time-bound goals will just make you think that you can do the tasks whenever you want, and you find yourself getting stuck on the same project for a long time. Setting yourself specific deadlines will force you to work on them and stop putting them off. Think of it as a game or a challenge to finish them. Number 3. Stay away from distractions. In this digital age, we are so distracted by a lot of things, from our phones, televisions, computers, emails, notifications, and the list goes on. One way to fix this is to disable these gadgets or put them in a place where you won't have access to it, like your other room, or the kitchen downstairs, or you can go as far as in your garage. This will force you to focus on the work in front of you. Refrain from constantly checking your messages and mute your notifications. I also suggest downloading productivity apps. The idea is to have a balance between working and leisure. Number 4. Break the tasks into little steps. One reason why we procrastinate is we are overwhelmed by the accumulated tasks at hand. Break them into small tasks. Do one step at a time and focus on what's in front of you without thinking the other ones. You'll then realize that these seemingly daunting tasks you have been avoiding for days are manageable after all. And lastly, accept that you just have to finish the work in front of you. If you will not do it, no one will. It's not gonna finish itself. And these tasks, when neglected, will turn into a humongous monster that will haunt you at the back of your head, telling you to finish them. So get yourself together and start. So there you go. I hope that these steps will help you move forward and stop procrastinating. It's an amazing feeling to accomplish the work that you have to do. It will boost your self-esteem and you will feel confident to tackle new challenges in life. And don't forget to reward yourself after doing the task. Rewarding yourself will motivate you to take on new tasks. If you like this video and you want to see more content about improving yourself, please consider subscribing and leave a feedback on the comment section below and smash that like button because it will help this small channel to grow and provide more valuable content just for you. So see you on the next video.